Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error Minecraft, failed to connect to the server, failed to authenticate your connection. Chapter 1. How to fix error Minecraft, failed to connect to the server, failed to authenticate your connection copying file. To start, open File Explorer. Here you will go to the path that you see on the screen. This allows us to go to the hosts file. After that, copy the host file. Then in the search box enter %appdata %. Press the enter key. In the window, open the .minecraft folder. You are going to paste the hosts file here. Chapter 2. How to fix error Minecraft, failed to connect to the server, failed to authenticate your connection analyzing file system. To start, right-click on the Start menu and click on Terminal Admin. Click Yes. After this, run the command sfc/scano, press the Enter key. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. You are going to wait for the file system scanning process to finish. Chapter 3. How to fix error Minecraft, failed to connect to the server, failed to authenticate your connection from terminal. To begin, right-click on the Start menu and select Terminal Admin. Click Yes. Now you are going to free the DNS cache. Run ipconfig/flushdns. After this, reset winsock. Run netch winsock reset. To complete this process, reboot the system. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.